In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Passwords and Accounts. Now select this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Click on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit by clicking on it. Now enter your current login method to access it, and finally hit Edit button to change wherever you want to. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!